sounds good. Loud, sounds good.
Yeah.
Smoking, I don't know. We'll see what happens after a few miles. You know, you almost get tired of hearing that same old mechanic's litany. Get some miles on it.
Yeah.
You know, and yet we use it all the time
It's
because,
true.
well, you know, I don't know if it's true, but we sure default to it, don't we?
Well, you know, the last, was it the T20, can't remember if it was T25 or the T100. Smoked like a devil, started a bunch of times, and by the time I did the test ride, smoke was gone.
Yeah, there you
I mean,
go.
if they've been sitting forever, you know, gravity works and stuff collects.
And this guy was last tagged in 1983,
Yeah.
so you don't know how long it's been sitting. So to get it running at all, way to go, Kevin.
Yeah.
It's a interesting little bike.
Yeah, and he's, you know, he's the fellow who owns this bike bought it in 1970 when he got back from Vietnam.
Wow.
So he's this is a one owner. He's got a sporty tank on it, of course.
Yeah, it does.
He made it, modified it so a sporty seat will go on it too.
All right.
Now that's a real gem to put on and take off, but it works. So actually, you know, for a custom, he's done a nice job, and the fact that it was his all this time is amazing.
That's cool. All right, now you've put a new tire on the rear, right?
Right, yeah, so we got to flip it and put new front and boots on, and then it's test ride time.
Okay, you could actually test ride now when we take it off the lift.
Not with
Not on that tire. Not with that tire.
That's
Okay,
my butt on that seat.
then at this point, we're ready to turn it around so you can pull the front wheel.
Absolutely.
We are going to turn it around and pull the front,
Pull the front wheel.
wheel.
Yeah.
All right, and boots. And oh, by the way, I do want to mention that the bottom stay on the front fender is upside down, apparently done on purpose for reasons unknown. We'll take a look at it when we have it off and figure out what the purpose is and why.
Well,
and
the owner said, if I recall correctly, that he was in some sort of accident and it bent something and it wouldn't quite fit right, so he just flipped everything.
We'll take a look at it
Yeah.
and see what we see. All right, so we're ready to turn the thing over, or turn it around.
Yep.
It sounds good, sounds healthy. Here we go.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. All right, we've got the bike turned around. We've got the front wheel off. You're going to go ahead and change the boots, aren't you?
Yes.
You got to do that today or tomorrow?
You know what?
You know what? Yeah.
Yeah. All they're gonna do is get cut off. So.
Yep. All right. And over here we've got the brake assembly. We've got the pads, shoes out. The pivot points are all dirty, and we're going to take those. I love the royal we. Kevin is going to take all these pivots out and clean up all the pivot points and put them back together nicely lubricated. The brake shoes are, I don't know if they're original, but they are old riveted style, but they're in very good condition. There's just not that much wear to them. So they're going back on. We'll clean them up. Once again, the royal we. Kevin will clean all that up and put back together. It's almost better than trying to break in a new pair of shoes. Mama got a new pair of shoes.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might as well go ahead and do the fork oil as well.
Might as well.
It's just not that big a deal.
Okay, well, I've reached I've pegged my fun meter. So it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and I hear my recliner calling my name. So I'm going to go home. And you got little things to do that you know how to do. So
Yeah, exactly. It's just.
Put in another hour and call it a day.
No, I'm done for the day.
You're done?
The fellow's gone for a month, so.
You're going to take that off and call it a day.
Yeah, absolutely. There's no reason to. Like I said, he's gone, so no reason to futz.
Okay.
Come back tomorrow morning and drain the forks and new oil and put the other boots on.
Yep.
Transport the wheel. And, we're good.
That'll be the day, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. Well, I'm going to go home. I'll be working on the green bike again tomorrow, so I'll talk to you then.